99% of SketchUp users are doing roofs the hard way. Don't be one of them. Look at these. All of these were created in seconds, not hours. In this video, I will reveal the fastest and easiest way to create any roof shape in SketchUp using one plugin. Once you learn this, you will never go back to the old method again. Let's start with the simplest building shape, a rectangle. For this type of structure, we can actually create a roof without using any plugin. For example, one method is to draw a line right in the middle of the top surface and then move it upward to form the shape. Our another way is to draw the roof profile and then use the follow me to extrude that profile along the path. But when the building becomes more complex, this method stops working properly. Take a look at the next example. If I try to use the follow me method here, you can see the shape doesn't form correctly at all. The roof becomes messy, broken, and completely unusable. And this is exactly where we need a powerful plugin, the roof plugin. With this plugin, you can save a huge amount of time and create clean, accurate roof in seconds. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because we are going to explore all the options of this plugin and apply them step by step on different types of buildings, so you can fully understand and master it. First is the roof page. This controls the angle of the roof, for example 30 degrees. Next is Eaves fascia size. This defines how far the roof is extend outward. Then we have Eaves soffit size. This controls the vertical height of the overhanging part. The third option is the type of roof, whether it's horizontal, vertical, or slope. And finally, we have the material settings, where you can choose whether the roof has a material or not. Once you understand these options, you can easily control any roof design with precision. And here you can see the dimensions of the overhang. I set the height to 80 centimeters, and you can see it's exactly 80 here. I also selected the type as horizontal or vertical depending on the design. And the best part is you can easily adjust these values anytime. So you're not locked into one design. You always have full control over the roof structure. See, when we selected the slope mode, the roof is generated with a proper angle design. As you can clearly see, it instantly creates a clean slope without any manual work. And we have 4 different types in this mode, which we can choose depending on our design needs. We can also make adjustments to other things as well to fully customize the roof according to our project. Now you can see that all changes we made were applied perfectly. This plugin has generated a clean and accurate roof without any errors. Now let's look at the next building, which is a combination of a circle and a rectangle. Building this manually without a plugin would be very difficult and time consuming. So again, I'm going to use the same plugin. Here we simply adjust the setting based on our design. Just look at how fast and clean it is, saving us a huge amount of time while producing a beautiful result. And if I need it, we can also remove these extra lines easily. Another feature of this plugin is the material option. Here it asks whether you want to apply material or not. If you choose yes, you can also assign materials directly from here. So this gives you full flexibility. You can decide the appearance of your roof and customize it however you like. Another feature of this plugin is the mansard roof style. It also includes double pitch roofs. Here we can define parameters like the first page, the second page, and the height of the lower roof section. Just like before, we simply adjust the setting based on our design, and the roof is generated automatically. As you can see, the plugin generates a perfect double pitch roof based on the setting we applied. It follows exactly the parameters we defined. And the materials here are not fixed. We can always modify them later according to our design and preferences. Let's move on to the fourth mode of this plugin called the pyramid roof. I will explain it with a simple example. In this mode, by simply defining 3 points, we can generate a complete roof structure. Just look at how beautifully this pyramid roof is created. And we can also generate it with different angles and variations. This roof is also a combination of a circle and a rectangle, and with this plugin it can be created very easily. We can also adjust its parameters just like the previous examples and customize it according to our own design preferences. The next example is a completely circular roof. Without this plugin, creating a circular roof would be very difficult and time consuming. But with this plugin, we can create it with just one click. And we can also build it with different heights, depending on our design. And just like the previous examples, we can also adjust all the settings for this roof. This allows us to fully customize the design according to our own needs and preferences. Another feature of this plugin is gable-ended roof. This is used when we first create one part of the roof and later we want to build another section that matches it perfectly. This plugin automatically generates the new roof in a way that perfectly aligns with the first one, so both parts connected and combined seamlessly. We can also work with materials for this roof. We can apply any material we want and customize its appearance. And the best part is these materials can also be changed later, so everything remains fully flexible. We can also adjust the size of the texture. And when we want to create the second roof and combine it, the plugin asks us whether we want to use the same material or not, so we can easily choose what we prefer. And that's it for today's video. As you can see, this plugin makes roof modeling in SketchUp extremely fast, easy and powerful, no matter how complex the design is. This is video 7 out of a 30-part free plugin series here on the channel Arch Jamshid. So make sure you don't miss the next video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new tutorials. I will see you in the next video.